Good day po. This is Dan Timothy Colliantes.
Okay.
Yo mga bossing! So sa araw na to ay magre-release tayo ng 2025 Expander Cross 2-tone na quartz white pearl. So all the way from Bicol pa itong ating kliyente sa araw na to, at syempre para less hassle sa kanya, doon namin release sa aming satellite office sa Laguna. So let's go guys! Panoorin itong video na to.
At eto na mga bossing, all the way na tayo sa Calamba, Laguna. Siyempre doon tayo magre-release. At eto naman si Boss Andy, bagong ligo na naman. At eto na tayo sa exit ng Calamba. Finally, nasa office na rin tayo sa wakas. At syempre, mas okay kung tayo mauuna sa client. Hindi yung sila mauuna dito sa opisina. At after that, nandito na ating client. At syempre, pinag-sign ko na to ng mabilisan para fast track na lang tayo mga bossing. At syempre, thank you sa KFC.
Good day po. This is Dan Timothy Colliantes. And first of all, I would like to give thanks po sa Mitsubishi Motors Gateway in South para sa smooth accommodation po, and also sa mabilis na transaction sa papa-approve po ng unit na aking pinalabas. And also, thank you for Sir Andy Dalalang Bayan for accommodating me throughout this process. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Sana all.
Yeah, this is it, baby. I tell you what, if you can hear me loud and clear on this one, yo, you ain't got no earlobes, baby. I won't hear no hating, cause I fear no shady in the crowd. I see so clear now, baby. It's my year now, baby. I can hear when I turn this up loud, yeah. Harder than all, give me the ball, never will fall down. Ever so tall, sniffing the crawl, look where we are now. I don't know where to begin, it's like I'm a medicine. Just getting sicker and sicker, refuse to take my medicine. Hop on board, this train is leaving, easing. Ain't nobody seeing, when I pop off, gonna spark a streak. And call me heathen, a demon, cause I live free. And I'm free, I'm fresh in the freezer. Now I heat up, plus I'm well seasoned.